Hello guys, today I am going to trade on Pocket Option Broker again, but I am going to use only a trends. Let's start. So guys, we have three trends: upgoing trend, downgoing trend and the straight trend. At first we need to understand what trend is going on these currency pairs. Let's at first choose a currency pairs with the trend and I will explain. For example, this is Britannian fund and American dollar. So here we have a downgoing trend. As you see, our minimums are every time refreshing. So let's start from the $200 on 3-minute down. I have opened the deal, as you see, down of course, because we have a downgoing trend, and I'm going to explain what is going on this situation. So as I told you, we have a downgoing trend. I will show you with the arrow, and here is our minimums. Like this one, as you see, was beaten almost here with this spot, and this is our minimums, the last minimums, local minimums. And we have of course here, we have here, and here, also here. This is the first one. And as our minimums are refreshing, so we have a downgoing trend. And we have a corrections. What is correction? When during the trend the price is going the opposite side. It means that, for example, during the downgoing trend the price is going up like this. This is our corrections, as you see. Here is the really long correction, and in this little trend, local trend, we have a corrections like this. And of course we have a level here. It means we have supporting level, resistance level, from which the price is need to be pulled down by the trend. So let's see what will be the end of this deal. And we need to be ready, of course, for the $400. So we have used, as I told you, a trend. We saw that the corrections, which was just the last ones, for example, 3 corrections, was not very long. That's why we have decided that this correction is also need to be short one. So that's why I have decided to open in here in this area a deal, because of also resistance level, as I told you. The most dangerous thing trading by the trends is only a correction, actually, because the correction can be a longer one than you, for example, allowed for just yourself, and that's why you can have minuses also. But it's okay. The most important thing not to get, like, when, for example, the trend is going down, the trend can be changed and going up. So we have 2 seconds left, and our first deal is going to be a plus. Yes, our main profit at $178. Let's continue. So on the same currency pairs, as you see, after the changing the correction after the end of the correction, the price also came into the mini correction again. So that's why I have decided to open one more deal in the same trend, actually, in the same downgoing trend. I really think that this is a mini correction, and it shouldn't be a long one, so it need to be just changed its way right now, as I see, really. But I will be ready for the double deal if, for example, I was wrong, because it's really can be, for example, that you see that the correction is really ended, but after the little bit candles for the that side that you need to be, the correction is again starting, and again it's really one more problem. When, for example, you thought the correction actually ended, you have opened the deal already, but sometimes, for example, the correction starting again, the last correction which you thought that already ended, just going on. It's really a very dangerous situation also for the traders, but as I told you, this is trading, and we need to be ready for everything what is going on the situations, on the graphics, I mean. So as you see, after the opening my deal, it was a red candle, but at least the candle closed a green one. So right now we have 1 minute left, and we need to just wait for the end of this deal. It should be a downgoing trend already. It should be that the correction was ended already. We have already one plus catched, and we need the second one right now. Every time that the candle is being red, after that the candle is becoming green. Actually, this is one of the most really working strategies in the trading. I mean, the trading by the trend. So 5 seconds left. At last we will have a minus, seriously. Okay, I have opened one more deal, double deal, $400 again on by the trend. down, because I think that the mini correction just was a little bit longer that I need. But again, this is trading, everything can happen during your trading. So let's wait for the end of this deal. I have opened a double deal for $100. Actually, we have a 50 seconds left, and still the candles from the red becoming green and from the green becoming red. I really can't understand why the buyers activated in this situation, because we have a downgoing trend. Why the buyers wanting to pull the price up, I really don't understand. You need to understand also that during your trading, it can be, for example, some traders with a very big deposit come to the trading also, and because of him the price can going every way. So we have a profit $356. It means we have invested $600. Our main profit $56 from these two deals. Let's go on. So guys, I have found one more interesting situation with the trend, but in Australian dollar and Switzerland franc, the income of the percent of the income is lower than 75%. That's why we don't use such a currency pairs. Let's find one more. This is the trend that I have already used double times. That's why I don't want to use again. But here we have a situation on euro and Australian dollar on the up on 3 minutes, because we have an upgoing trend. It's very beautiful that I have used downgoing trend 2 times, so I used one more time upgoing trend on these currency pairs. Let me just explain you what is going on this currency pair. So we have an upgoing trend with the arrow I am showing you. So, and we have maximums. When we have refreshing maximums every time, so that is mean that we have upgoing trend. As you see, the many maximums just refreshing every time. So the last correction was starting here and was ended here, and it means that from this spot the price need to be go and beat the last maximum to continue its trend. So we have opened the deal on 3 minutes up. Let's wait for the end of this deal. But we need to be ready for the double deal if, for example, our deal because of anything actually will end it a minus. Let's wait for the end of this deal. So as you see, our first deal is going to be a minus. That's why I have opened one more deal up, the double deal. But I really can't understand what is going on, because at first when I opened the deal, the price went the correct way. Right now the volatility is very high and I can't understand why. Till this moment everything was ok. So I have opened double deal. That's why we need just to wait for the end of this deal. I have opened again on 3 minutes up by the trend. Our maximum wasn't beat, that's why we are still in the correction. Yeah guys, really the volatility is very high. It means or we have any news that we didn't notice, or we have trader who is trading like on this currency pair with very high deposit. We have a 15 seconds left. I'm still really waiting for the continue of the trend. 5 seconds left. So we have a plus. We have a plus. I have invested on this deal $600 like the deal before, and I have earned $100. I have earned $700. That means that my main profit is $100, and the trend is going on. Yeah, everything is okay, I think. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and please like this video, subscribe my channel, and if you want to trade with me with my signals, and if you want, for example, to join my private club in Telegram, so just write in Telegram and my manager will explain you how you can get the entrance of this club. Okay, as last videos I have earned money just in front of my computer. You need to learn also to become a trader and work at home just in front of your computer, as I told you. See you on my next video and on my live streaming.